Hi, everybody. We're going to look at how do we figure profit. Okay, so I've added a column H called profit, and we're going to do a formula. And we start all our formulas with the equal sign, parentheses. And I'm going to come over here and it's retail minus price paid. So you can see we're C2 minus B2. Okay, and then we're multiplying that by our inventory, which is F2. All right, so this is our formula. We look up at the formula bar, but that's not what's going to show up when I hit enter. When I hit enter, it's already going to be that 1125, and it knows that it's money because that's the way those were formatted. Okay, now does this make sense? Okay. 495 minus 450 multiplied by 25. Sure, it makes sense. I'm not a math genius. All right, so I'm going to grab the fill handle over here because I want to work smarter, not harder. I'm going to fill it down, and I want that formula. Look how pretty that looks. Okay. Now, it doesn't look nice, so I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to grab my border, and I'm going to put a border around it. I also don't like it's too wide, so I'm going to mess with that too. As we go through our assignments, please feel free to modify as you need it for your size, those sorts of things. All right, now if I wanted to do a sort, I could do that. However, there's a lot of information that I don't need right now. Doesn't mean I want to get rid of it. I just don't need it. So I'm going to hide D&E. I'm going to hide the investment so that I look like this, okay? Now, again, and from the last video, you know, see that double line up here, you know that there's things that are hidden, and we'll need it again later. But so it goes from A, B, C, F, and H. So we know there's information hidden, not gone forever. We just don't want to work with it right now. So after I've hidden those, I want to come over here and I want to do a sort. All right. Sort. All right, now I already have lots, remember from the last time, so I'm going to delete a level because I no longer want to do like that. So I'm going to sort it by profit, and I want to go from the largest to the smallest. Okay, so as you are looking at your information, you've gotten rid of the extraneous information we don't want because we don't need it right now. We'll need it again. And this is what it looks like. So now I know, ooh, that sliced ham. I have the potential of $98.60 sitting on my shelf. The sourdough buns, apparently not a profit leader. And I've only got $3.12. Now, the beauty of this, if I go back in and I change that inventory that I have, ooh, I've got 60 on the shelf. See what it does there. Now, I don't want to change that data, but you see by putting in a formula based on the cell location, I can manipulate my data and it updates automatically. If I were doing this by hand, it would be a nightmare, as you can kind of see where that's going. So what we've done is we've inserted the profit formula, we've hidden information we didn't want, and then we did a new sort. So these are skills you're going to need for our assignment today.